I am stuck in Android.
Girls,
Guys, this is the most difficult decision that I wouldn't say I ever had to make, apart from, you know, moving from Kenya and coming to Poland and getting pregnant for a stranger that I met in the club. He's looking at me.
Malutka, ty słyszysz, Malutka, co mama mówi?
So I would say, yeah, I had a choice to make between two phones, and these two phones are the best phones in the market. That is Samsung S26 Ultra and iPhone 17 Pro Max. So I had to make a choice eventually. So guess what I chose? I am unboxing this upgrade. Before I was using S24. Tak? S24.
No.
No.
No, this model, not this model.
Not S20. No. I'm using.
You will shock.
No. So I am upgrading. I forgot what kind of phone I'm using right now, so I don't know.
You will
anyway,
shock.
It will be just
shock.
It will be just so different. Like it will be a huge difference. So in my next videos, you will see.
It's like you before you drive a tuk-tuk, and now you will drive the good quality car. Yeah,
No.
you will see. You will see. You will see.
So let's unbox this tuk-tuk.
Yeah, yeah, you will see. You will
The
see.
example
but you
sounds
understand
familiar.
this, yeah?
You like tuk-tuks.
For fun, yeah, but for life, no.
Why? Anyway, let's unbox. So unbox with me. So I already removed this because hey, I had to peep what's there.
Excuse me. You
Yes.
break the box, everything. So like now
I cannot
this-
change. Yeah.
Okay.
So in the house we have two iPhones, iPhone 17 Pro Max and one S26 Ultra, but 256 GB. This is the best S26 Ultra, which is 512 GB. So he's telling me that I still have a choice to make, but you know,
I bring.
decision making, this is where, you know, your decision making skills get tested. Anyway, but my final choice is still Samsung Ultra 26. I am not succumbing into the pressure, you know. I'm gonna get a good quality camera anyway soon, so I think I will get a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. So I don't think it will matter for me to have an iPhone, so I took this. So what's here? He brought the two iPhones.
Is this a model?
Yeah, a 17 Pro, both.
Mm-hmm.
Both are 17 Pro. So I still have a choice to make between 17 Pro and Galaxy. Anyway, but I have made up my mind. Sorry, thank you. Because I know that next month I will get a new nice camera.
Yeah.
So iPhone, I still feel like I need it, but I have made up my mind, you know.
But this phone is more expensive
Than
yeah,
iPhone.
yeah, 100%.
It's more expensive.
This
than
one,
iPhone.
exactly this one.
Yeah. So this is my choice.
I'm happy.
It's 12 GB stroke 512 GB black, made in Korea. So let's open it and see. I cannot compare because I cannot open this. We want to sell this.
We sell this for
yeah,
customer.
so we will sell this for a customer. Anyway, so I cannot open. I have already opened my choice. Some of you are screaming there, telling me, "Oh, no, you should have taken iPhone." I understand the hype around iPhone, but yeah, this is my choice. So up close. Co chcesz, kochanie?
Patrzę.
More, you want to see co?
It's this is exactly like my phone,
Be careful.
but 2 years younger, I can say.
Ah, your phone is which model?
24.
24 Ultra.
Wait, this is 26, yeah?
Yeah.
24.
24.
Exactly this.
Oh. So he's using 24 and I have a better phone than yours, Oleg.
We can say more new.
Yeah, new.
But you will.
It's actually difference. Let's compare because
But
I see.
you will love this phone and
you see yours is like a box and mine is like here.
Okay,
better.
what I will say, don't forget, you must love me, your daughter, your mom. This is will be
Be careful.
help you in your life.
Yeah, it will help me.
Don't love this, just use. And you use this, and this must help you in your life.
No, okay.
Oh, yeah. Now it's done.
I cannot go back.
No.
Whoa. I love it. Yeah.
Tomorrow we must put the screen in the
Wow.
factory.
It's so nice.
Show me. This
See
is
the
some-
difference? It's actually small.
Ah,
Yeah, it's
like
smaller.
this is like
Not sharp. Not
yeah.
sharp ends.
This is like this, yeah.
Yeah. You see, it's smaller.
But the girls, I don't know the girls. This phone, if I want change, you must very a lot of pray. I give somebody, yeah.
Pray.
It's the best phone. And this one is 2 years new, and in my opinion, she will be love the phone, but of course not more than me and the Malutka. I mean the daughter, yeah. But she will be happy.
Okay, I'm
sure.
I must charge the phone first, yeah.
Normally, yeah, of course.
So I will charge the phone when I will be in class.
Girls, look, this is my phone. I use 2 years. I use a lot. I don't have a laptop or something. Everything this is my company office, yeah.
Office.
Yeah, and she will be so fucking happy. I know. I know.
I'm happy about
I know. The storage in the phone, the connection. Oh my god. Yeah, she can.
I'm stuck in Android.
Girls, straight. She can go to the bath, take the shower with the phone. Yeah, nothing will be damaged. 100% and 50. It's 100% waterproof. Yeah, totally waterproof. Totally. Maybe Indiana there have salty water. Totally. Yeah.
Posvindas, Dobrodozi,
It's not Polish.
languages. Tunisia, Czech.
Welcome, Gemma. Hi.
But where is English?
The English not kurmać must be everywhere, yeah? Welcome, the German.
Welcome, start. English, UK or United States?
I think you
UK.
no.
United States?
Yes. because the UK it's like a loose everything. Di? Di?
Tak?
Patrz. I promise you